This Filipino or Tagalog grammar lesson is all about the use of SAAN and NASAAN. SAAN and NASAAN, SAAN, SAAN, and NASAAN, 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 SAAN, NASAAN. Both of them means where in English. SAAN, NASAAN. But the word saan is used when asking about an action. And to answer a saan question, the format is to say or to include sa plus the location or the direction. For nasaan, it's also where in English, but it is used when asking about objects and people. Moreover, to answer a nasaan question, you'll have to say nasa plus the location or the direction. And when we say nasa, it is similar to sa, also in Tagalog, and it means in, on, or at. Saan, nasaan. Let us have the following sample sentences for saan and nasaan. The first one is the word saan. The question is, saan ka ngayon? Saan ka ngayon? Saan ka ngayon? When we say saan, that's where, and then ngayon is now or today, and ka is you. So where are you now? Saan ka ngayon? Saan ka ngayon? And to answer the question, saan ka ngayon, you reply with sa blank po ako. Okay, so sa Boracay po ako. Boracay is a world-famous beach destination here in the Philippines. And then ako is me or I. And then po is a polite word that we add. So sa Boracay po ako or sa mall po ako, sa Manila po ako, sa Cebu po ako. Saan ka ngayon? Sa Boracay po ako. The contraction of saan is san. San ka ngayon? San ka ngayon? Saan ka ngayon? Saan ka galing? Saan ka galing? Or san ka galing? San ka galing? Galing is like came from, like just a while ago or earlier. Saan ka galing or san ka galing? Where did you just came from? San ka galing or saan ka galing? And then to answer, you respond with sa mall po, sa plaza po, sa simbahan po. Saan ka kumain? Saan ka kumain? When we say kain, that is eat, to eat, or is related to eating. Kumain is past tense, it's ate. Saan ka kumain? Saan ka kumain or san ka kumain? So where did you eat at? And then to answer sa plus the location or the direction. Sa Jollibee po ako kumain or just sa Jollibee po is already okay. Sa Jollibee po ako kumain, sa Mang Inasal po ako kumain, sa IHOP po ako kumain. Saan ka kumain? Sa Jollibee po. Saan ka kumain? Sa IHOP po. Next one is saan ka natulog? Saan ka natulog? When we say tulog, that is to sleep or is related to sleeping. Saan ka natulog? Where did you sleep at? Saan ka natulog? And then to answer sa plus the location or the direction. So to answer, like in our sentence here, in our example, sa bahay po namin. So a bahay is a house. Sa bahay po namin, so namin is our house. So sa bahay po namin at our own house. Saan ka natulog? Sa bahay po namin. Saan ka natulog? Sa bahay po ni Maria. So at Maria's house. We are now on the word nasaan. Nasaan ang kotse? Nasaan ang kotse? Where's the car? So a kotse is a car, or aside from kotse, you can also use the word sasakyan. Nasaan ang kotse? Nasaan ang sasakyan? And then to answer, nasa plus the location or the direction. So nasa garahe po. When we say garahe, that's the garage. Nasa garahe po. Nasaan ang kotse? Nasa garahe po. Nasan ang kotse? Nasa labas po. It's outside, labas. So, nasaan, the construction of that in a way is nasan. Nasan. Nasan ang kotse? Nasan ang bahay mo? Where's your house at? Nasaan ang kotse? Nasa garahe po. Nasan ang kotse? nasa labas po. The next one is, nasaan ang mama? Nasaan ang mama? When we say mama, that's mom. So, nasaan ang mama means where's mom? Nasaan ang mama? Nasaan ang papa? Where's dad? And then to answer, nasa kusina po or nasa kusina ang mama. The word po is added to make the sentence more polite and respectful. Nasaan ang mama? Nasa kusina. Nasaan ang papa? Nasa kanyang silid, in his room. Nasa kanyang silid. So, nasan or nasaan. But of course, nasaan is the more formal one. Another is, nasaan ang CR? Nasaan ang CR? Nasaan ang CR? When we say CR, that means comfort room, CR. Or you can also use the word palikuran or bathroom. And then it's, of course, synonymous with the restroom. Yan, kasi here in the Philippines, we use CR instead of restroom or maybe bathroom. Nasaan ang CR? Where's the comfort room? And then of course, to answer a nasaan question, you say nasa plus the location or direction. So nasa likod po, it's at the back. Yan, so likod is back, so nasa likod po. Nasaan ang CR or nasan ang CR? Nasa labas po, it's outside. Nasaan ang aso ko? Nasaan ang aso ko or nasan ang aso ko? So aso is a dog. So nasaan ang aso ko means where's my dog at? So nasaan ang aso ko means where's my dog at? Or where's my dog? Nasaan ang aso ko? And then to answer, nasa labas po. It's outside. Nasa labas po. Nasaan ang aso ko? Nasa labas po. Or just nasa labas is already okay. Once again, saan and nasaan both means where in English. But the word saan is used when asking about an action, and to answer a saan question, you'll have to use sa plus the location or the direction. While nasaan also means where, similar with saan, is used when asking about objects and people. So to answer a nasaan question, the format or the template is like nasa plus the location or direction. When we say nasa, this is similar to sa, and it means in, on, or at in English. And that's all for our Filipino or Tagalog grammar lesson, which is about the use of saan and nasaan. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, paalam at ingat. Thank you very much, goodbye, and take care.